I put 7 cannot be there in the last place, but I can have 0 in the last place. That means there are total 9 possibilities. Therefore, plus 9. This is another case. And the final case, if I am looking at 7 in the first place and the last place. So again, this is also 9 possibilities, therefore plus 9. If I just simplify this, this will come out as 252, and that is going to be the answer. Now, typically, if you look at this particular question, we'll solve this question. If PQ and PR are tangents from a point Px1, y1 to the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, find the circumcircle of the triangle PQR. This is the question. Now, based on the question, we require a circle. So we draw a circle. Then, from the point Px1, y1, we have a point here. And from there, we draw tangents PQ and PR. Now the question says, we want a circle circumscribing the triangle PQR. What I do is, just join PQ, that's already done. Then join QR. From the center of the circle, just join R and Q. Once we do this, we have the circle and the tangents PQ and PR, and also from the center we are drawing CR and CQ, and then we join QR. Now we are looking for a circle circumscribing the triangle PQR. Now obviously, if you want a circle, you require 3 points. If you want 3 points, where out of which only 1 point is known, and we require the points Q and R. Now that means what we require is, we want the equation of the tangents, solve that with the equation of the circle, and get the points and find the equation of the circle. Therefore, CRPQ will become a cyclic quadrilateral. When it becomes cyclic quadrilateral, CP will become the diameter of the circle which is required. So C is minus G minus F, and the point P is already known. Equation of the circle, join 2 points when the endpoints of a diameter are given, which is nothing but x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So the equation of circle will become what? Very simple. X minus x1 into x minus x2, which will become G, plus y minus y1 into y plus f is equal to 0, and that is the equation of the required circle. Now look at this question, if you can understand what is given.
Let us visualize Pythagoras theorem. Take a square, take 4 points A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. Join these 4 points together. The inside area over here is C square. Now take this up and take this down. Take this to the left. What we have here is A square plus B square is C square. Here is a plane mirror and associated rays. Let us understand the laws of reflection in such a way that we will never forget it. Here is a smooth plane and here is a ball. If we throw this ball on the plane, it reflects back in this direction. If we trace the path of the ball, this ray can be thought as an incident ray and this ray can be thought as a reflected ray. If we draw the normal at the point of incidence over here, this angle can be understood as a reflected angle of reflection, and this angle can be understood as an angle of incidence. This connection is made using optical knobs. So here is our optical knobs, and this is corrected like this. So the information which is gathered on the retina is passed to the brain using optical. We are going to add a concave lens, and together with this we are going to have a decreased effective power. So this is the mathematical way, or this is the trick that we use to solve this kind of problem. So what will happen to a parallel ray which is coming and striking at this concave lens first? So the concave lens by nature will diverge the rays. So here also we will diverge the rays, and again this part acting as a plano-convex lens will converge the rays, and again we will have a convergence at this place. Is to let us have a 3D model, and I will just explain you the different parts of eye and their respective functions, and we finish it up. But I have a better approach for that. Let us try to understand what eye most fundamentally does. So eye helps us to see things. That means